With the Advantech subfloor assembly, you can be sure that you're building a reputation on something stronger. And the best builders, well, they may always stand apart, but they never stand alone. So ask yourself, are you bringing your A game?
Hey everybody. So, it's a sad day. It's a happy day. Sad day. Big Red doesn't have anything to do today. Why is that? Well, today is the last video of the Before the Build series for Hilltop Aarow project. And there is no drawings. There is no building science discussion, architecture discussion. There is merely a 75 slideshow for your pure enjoyment. So anyways, without further ado, I just want to thank you all for joining me in this series. Look forward to it. We're already putting together the next series. We'll roll right into it. It's a great project. Got some really cool details. Some things maybe the world quite hasn't seen just yet. So we'll take you there. Anyways, 75 slideshow. It's the wrap-up. It's the last time we talk about the Hilltop Aarow project here on YouTube. Probably not, but anyways, it sounds good. Anyways, enjoy that slideshow. Thanks for joining us.